Go! It's a runesne. Come talk your shit, bro.
On the way. Fobo.
Shit. Foba in the cut. Runes serious. Darren, come over here, bro. So, how'd you feel losing to Runes? How do you feel that you lost from Runes?
Yeah, I feel bad, bro. I give him a chance, but I don't want to.
Come close, nigga.
I said, I give him a chance.
Come closer to the camera, bro. They can't hear you. This shit is fucking broken. You have to come all the way. Come over here. Come over here. Come close, nigga.
I said I give him a chance. I don't believe in chances. My shit goes higher than his. As you can see, look, 43%, mine is 51%.
Nigga, that's the battery, bro. What the fuck you talking about?
Goofy, I boy. Just give him a chance on that, bro. Run it back. I don't want him to cry.
Run it back. Run it back.
Run it back. Let's go.
So right now they're about to run it back. They're about to run it back. A rematch. A rematch, eh? Let's see who's gonna win this. Hey. I'll just wait for my count, bro. Ida, araya. You are ready. Set. Go. Look at this. Go. This dumbass car has to be in front of. What the fuck? Hurry the fuck up, bitch. Go. Damn, this fucking light needs to fuck. I wear it, I wear.
See what I told you, bro? Chance right there, man. Use his leg. That's cheating.
Y'all come back and talk your shit again. Come.
I think when I don't know why this guy was using his feet. How was it? See how cheater he is? That's part of the game, bro. That's the only way to win.
Let's go. Time to go. Say peace.